Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me again, Ken. I'm here to give you, at this point, the credit plug. Listen, you know that most people don't realize what a score starts from. What's a great score? I get that all the time when I'm talking to individuals and educating them on the process of how they can maintain a healthy credit score. But the traditional credit score ranges from 300 to 850 on most models. Now, in the video before this, I talked about the Fair Earl Isaac score, how it's designed to calculate risk. But now I want to talk to you about the scoring model itself. And it ranges from 300 to 850. Some models may show a higher and some may have a lower score. I don't want you to spend so much time on that because listen, it changes like the Texas weather. I'm telling you, I live here in Texas, man, and the weather changes on a dime. And you need to know that your credit score is the same way. Listen, focus, as I said in another video, on just making sure that you maintain your general risk. Don't spend so much time on the score itself. The territory is laid up if you just pay your bills on time, stay consistent with your objectives, watching that budget of yours, and even being careful with how much credit you apply for. You're going to be just fine. So listen, once again, here's the plug. Credit scores range from 300 to 850 on most models, but don't trip over the score. Focus on, once again, maintaining your risk level. If you do that, it doesn't matter what day or time or month or season or whatever the case may be, your score will be where it should be. I hope this plug has helped you today. Until next time, be blessed.